Hi guys, it's Chris from Car Sound Security. So we've got a Fiat Abarth 595 2012 today, guys. Okay, so what we've done today, giving it a new modern look. We've taken out this old piece of junk which does nothing anymore. It bloody still has CDs, eh? God knows. Alright, so what we've done today, we've retained the factory steering wheel controls as well, so they will all still work as well, guys. Okay, so there it is there, the Sony 805D. So it's got DAB, Bluetooth, USB, and the best thing of all, Apple CarPlay, guys. Okay, now for you Android users, don't worry guys, this system also has Android Auto, so you've got nothing to worry about on that. But it just, you can see, it just gives it a more modern, fresh look, guys. Nice and fresh, look at that. And like I said, all your factory controls will still work, volume. Okay, so taking that old out, new in. Lovely, look at that. It looks similar to the Audi screen, doesn't it? The floating screen. Alright guys, so if you need a new head unit and you want to bring it up to more modern times, guys, give us a call on 0208 554 5554. That's 0208 554 5554. Come see us. We're based in Ilford near Ganshill roundabout, guys. Or send us an email, info@carsoundsecurity, guys. Alright, thanks for watching and give us a shout if we can help you.